Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
What are you doing?
Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
That is so sweet to just let him do it.